Match today. The match is going to be played in the rain. I'm Martin Tyler. Alan Smith is with me. Alan, conditions that favour attacking football?
Yeah, I think so, Martin. When the conditions are like this and the ball's skidding across the surface, you normally get plenty of chances and you normally get plenty of mistakes as well.
These two sides have agreed to play each other in a friendly game and hoping to get some positives out of it.
Yeah, and you look back on the matchups between these two sides, there have been one or two feisty encounters, there's some rivalries out there, and it might be quite tasty.
Just a quick line on the referee for you, Maximiliano Recobedo. That's very well read, and that's a very good interception. Wondolowski.
I don't think the defender should get beaten that easily.
The defender's come in well here, timed his approach and got the ball. Makoto Hasebe. He read it and cut it out. Well, the ref wanted to keep the game going, but you could see there was no advantage to the team who had the player fouled. The referee hasn't forgotten what he saw earlier. He's come back and the card's coming out for the culprit.
Yeah, no surprise there. It was a pretty poor challenge and rightly booked.
Here's a chance to attack. Going to give a free kick. It's a dangerous challenge, so it's got to be a free kick, and the referee letting them know that. Back off the bar. That's dealt with the problem, and he's up to head it away. Wondolowski. Sliding challenge coming in. Wondolowski. Referee has pointed straight to the spot. Penalty given. Save from the keeper. Win. Salinas. Wondolowski. He's beaten his man. He committed himself here. There wasn't much cover, but he got the ball, the defender, in the wide position. Got the ball well to set his team on the front foot by intercepting. Win. He's being challenged now. Wondolowski. Well, they're not happy that the free kick's been given. The advantage was played, and then they lost the ball. So you can see that the team that's been penalised think they've had a double whammy here. Excellent positioning, and the interception is made. Maya. The opposition back off, the great opportunity. Oh, off the post. Oh, they've gone and won the ball here. This could lead to something. Wondolowski. Fabian. went in well. It's one back. Makoto Hasebe. Chandler. Fabian. They got the ball back through a very good interception. Actually, it's deflected out of him. And he gets it back again, quickly. On the attack here. It's a chance! Got to be! What a goal this will be! Not quite.
The connection wasn't quite right, maybe cut across the ball.
Here's the header. Goalkeeper not really in trouble. Easy save. Makoto Hasebe. Could be dangerous. Oh, in goes the cross. Oh, so close, hit the post. And there is the half-time whistle. 0-0 at the break. Half-time, and nothing really decided as yet, Alan.
No, and I think it might just be the one goal that does separate these two sides because it's been so tight.
So we've reached half-time, and the game is scoreless. Let's take a look at the highlight.
Whistle from the referee, and we're off and running again for the second half. And the opponents come in strongly. They've linked up well. And now can he score? Now they've got the ball back. What can they do from here? Attacking now. And the defenders come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. Maya. Chipka. He committed himself here. There wasn't much cover, but he got the ball, the defender, in the wide position. That's quick-witted play, but quick movement as well to avoid the slide tackle. Wondolowski. Oh, well played the goalkeeper, and amazingly, it's still 0-0. Makoto Hasebe. Abraham. They tried to keep it, but they haven't been able to do that. Maya. Promising build-up until that challenge. If the opposition back off, they could be in trouble when the ball gets to here. Options available on the bench for the away side today. Got past his man here. Wondolowski. Salinas. Well, they're still battling to try and get their search for supremacy successful. Possession facts suggest that battling is still going on.
That's right. One thing having possession, but another thing being positive and using it in the right areas.
He's got space. Here's the chance. The goalkeeper paying the price. The goal unguarded, the goal conceded. Well, looking at the replays, the keeper's hardly ever in shot. He's so far away from his base, and the scorer couldn't have had a simpler task.
That's right. Not many times you could get a completely open goal like that, but this was one of them.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. Dawkins. Now you can cross it. He's going to cross it. Wondolowski. Fantastic header. Even better save. And they're a goal down, but now they've got a corner. Could make a chance to equalise. I don't like to use the word panic, but I think it's appropriate here. Wondolowski. And here's the cross. He will be adjudged offside here. Close, but got to get the movement timed a little bit better.
Well, he doesn't look too happy, but he was a red card waiting to happen, the way he was charging about that pitch.
That's a very crisp challenge there. Not the way to defend in that situation. He's cleaned up here, hasn't he, with that clearance? So many chances here, and even though there are only minutes to go, you still can't predict the outcome. And he's got the ball well to set his team on the front foot by intercepting. Win. Dawkins. Opportunity here. Could it be? Still a chance after that save. It's their ball again, through good intercepting play. And he's blown his whistle for the last time. Much closer, Alan, than we ever thought it would be. And that's a credit to the underdogs.
Without doubt, I think they gave us and they gave them